Hi guys, just a look at the HP102, just a quick look around, better video later. And there you go, you have your headphones and mic, USB-C, TNC on the top, excellent idea. And let's have a look inside the menu. Menu structure is very akin to like President William II with a list. You have CTCSS encoder, decoder, backlight with levels of backlight, box, don't need to say, Roger Bleep, ANL, high cut, timeout timer, dual watch, frequency display, where you can, we'll turn on frequency, I'll show you that. Yeah, it turns on the frequency, so self-explanatory. Factory reset, battery save, NRC. The radio does 20 pieces for sale, and the mass shipment will be September arriving. Just to let you know, I did ask PNI via email if they could change the UK setting, because as we know on the 82 and the 92 it's UK and CE. On this one it doesn't appear to have it, so asked if it's possible, or if they have time or energy left, that they can change it to EU AM FM, so you would have UK 40 AM FM UK 40, because at the moment you press it, you see it doesn't change. I think firmware quick change should be possible, but obviously that's nothing to do with me. Long hold AM FM, you have UK, CE, EU, India, Germany, Italy, Poland, and back to UK. You have a light on the side at the top, and the buttons below the PTT, one is for monitor, and the other one is for mute. So you have mute and monitor on it. What else? Desk charger, car kit, and antenna. It's a battery eliminator car kit, which is, in my opinion, excellent idea. I like it, makes life easier. Same styling as the battery. Antenna, rubber duck. And we will be back with some more. This was just a genuine small look around. And you can see, bigger than the old one. And the NRC is excellent. There's no ghost voices or funny sounds and coughs and splutters. It's a perfectly quiet NRC, and when you have it on AM, it really is excellent. You can tell the difference. It's lovely, but we'll show you that another time on a video. This is just to let you see really that it's arrived. It's serial number 9, and we'll be back with some more very quickly.